Plénitude, Plénitude, Plénitude by Dom Pérignon. The typical French pronunciation, Plénitude, Plénitude, Plénitude de Dom Pérignon Champagne, Plénitude. Plénitude are special releases of the prestige Dom Pérignon Champagne cuvée released when the wine has reached a perfect aging harmony, developing notes of aging yet conserving some freshness from the grapes it was made from. Dom Pérignon releases Plénitude in 3 phases with increasing aging characteristics into the wines: Plénitude P1, the youngest, Plénitude P2, intermediary aging level, about 20-year-old champagnes, and Plénitude P3 from old Oenotheque vintages. Plénitude, Plénitude. If you want to learn more about Plénitude, I made a video explaining with further detail through the words of Dom Pérignon chef de cave Richard Geoffroy what exactly is Plénitude. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye.